My name's Cameron Phillips. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in shoulder and elbow surgery here at Oregon Shoulder Institute. I have 3 little kids, and so a lot of my time outside of the office is taken up with my wonderful family. Together we do a lot of fun stuff in the area. I also enjoy mountain biking, trail running. I really enjoy cooking and just like to get the kiddos out to enjoy the great outdoors, which is really a wonderful opportunity in a place like this. At Oregon Shoulder Institute, we're definitely on the cutting edge of research. We do a lot of primary scientific research and a lot of patient-driven, patient-oriented outcome. The level of care that patients in this valley get and beyond is unmatched by most private practice surgeons. I think what's really important to me in my practice is the rapport and the relationship that I have with my patients. And to know that I had a huge hand to play in people feeling better, being able to get back to a pain-free lifestyle, and to be able to have their best function and live a much more enjoyable life.